We all know that eating a balanced diet is important, but what does that actually mean? It's not just about eating your greens, it's about getting the right mix of nutrients to fuel your body. That's where AMDR comes in. AMDR stands for Acceptable Macronutrient Distribution Range. It's basically a set of guidelines for the percentage of calories you should be getting from each of the three macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Think of it like a recipe for a delicious and nutritious meal. Too much of one ingredient and the whole thing is off. The same goes for your diet. Getting the right balance of macronutrients is essential for everything from maintaining a healthy weight to having enough energy to power through your day. Understanding AMDR empowers you to make informed choices about the food you eat. It's not about restrictive dieting, it's about nourishing your body with the right fuel in the right amounts. By finding your perfect balance, you're setting yourself up for optimal health and well-being. Before we dive into the specifics of AMDR, let's break down what macronutrients actually are. Macronutrients are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts to function properly. They provide the energy you need to move, think, and even breathe. There are three main types of macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. Think of them like the fuel that keeps your engine running. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, and they also play a role in hormone production and immune function. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're actually crucial for a healthy diet. They help your body absorb certain vitamins, insulate your organs, and provide long-lasting energy. Each macronutrient plays a unique and vital role in keeping your body running smoothly. Just like a car needs the right balance of petrol, oil, and water, your body thrives when it receives the right proportion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Now that you understand the importance of macronutrients, let's talk about the ideal balance. The AMDR provides a range for each macronutrient expressed as a percentage of your total daily calorie intake. Carbohydrates: aim for 45 to 65% of your daily calories. Think whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Proteins: shoot for 10 to 35% of your daily calories. Good sources include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Fats: keep it between 20 to 35% of your daily calories. Choose healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These ranges provide a framework for a balanced diet, ensuring you get enough of each macronutrient to support your body's needs. Remember, these are just guidelines, and your individual needs may vary depending on factors like your activity level, age, and health goals.
Moving towards the calculation of acceptable macronutrient distribution range, or AMDR, for carbs, proteins, and fats. Let's dive right in. First up, carbohydrates. The AMDR for carbs is typically set between 45% to 65% of your total daily calories. So, how do you calculate this? Start by knowing your total daily calorie intake. Let's say it's 2,000 calories. Multiply that by 0.45 for the lower limit and 0.65 for the upper limit. This gives you 900 to 1,300 calories from carbs. To find the grams, divide those numbers by 4, since carbs provide 4 calories per gram. So you get 225 to 325 grams of carbs per day. Easy, right? Next, let's talk about proteins. The AMDR for proteins is set between 10% to 35% of your total daily calories. Using our 2,000 calorie example, multiply by 0.10 and 0.35. This gives you 200 to 700 calories from proteins. Divide by 4 and you get 50 to 175 grams of protein per day. Simple as that. Finally, fats. The AMDR for fats falls between 20% to 35% of your daily calories. With 2,000 calories, multiply by 0.20 and 0.35. This gives you 400 to 700 calories from fats. Since fats provide 9 calories per gram, divide those numbers by 9. You'll end up with 44 to 78 grams of fat per day. Not too complicated, right? So, just to recap, for a 2,000 calorie diet, you should aim for 225 to 325 grams of carbs, 50 to 175 grams of protein, and 44 to 78 grams of fats. Of course, these numbers can be adjusted based on individual health needs, goals, and dietary preferences. By understanding and calculating your AMDR, you can tailor your diet to ensure you're getting the right balance of macronutrients. This makes it easier to achieve your health and fitness goals.
While the AMDR provides a great starting point, it's just that, a starting point. It's important to remember that everyone is different and what works for one person may not work for another. Factors like age, activity level, and health conditions play a significant role in determining your individual macronutrient needs. For instance, athletes or those who engage in regular intense exercise may need to increase their protein intake to support muscle growth and repair. They might also require a higher percentage of carbohydrates to fuel their workouts and maintain energy levels. A balanced meal with the right macronutrient distribution is crucial for optimal performance. Older adults, on the other hand, have different nutritional needs. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down and we may need fewer calories overall. However, protein needs often increase with age to maintain muscle mass and support overall health. Ensuring adequate protein intake can help prevent muscle loss and promote better health outcomes. Specific health conditions also necessitate adjustments to macronutrient intake. Conditions such as diabetes or kidney disease require careful monitoring and tailored dietary plans. Working with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is essential to determine the best dietary approach for your individual needs. They can provide personalized advice and help you navigate the complexities of nutrition. Remember, AMDR is a guideline, not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a flexible framework meant to be adapted. Don't hesitate to consult with a qualified healthcare professional to personalize your approach based on your unique circumstances. They can help you understand how to adjust your macronutrient distribution to meet your specific goals and health needs. Following the AMDR isn't about deprivation or complicated calculations. It's about making sustainable choices that support your overall health and well-being. The AMDR, or Acceptable Macronutrient Distribution Ranges, provides a flexible framework that can be adapted to various dietary preferences and lifestyles. When you consistently consume macronutrients within the recommended ranges, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. This means not only meeting your energy needs, but also ensuring that your body functions optimally. A balanced diet based on AMDR principles can contribute to sustained energy levels. By providing your body with a steady stream of energy from carbohydrates, you'll feel more energized throughout the day. This energy is crucial for maintaining productivity and engaging in daily activities without feeling fatigued. Healthy weight management. Balancing macronutrients helps regulate appetite and prevent overeating, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. This balance helps you feel satisfied and reduces the likelihood of cravings for unhealthy foods. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Studies have linked diets that align with AMDR to a lower risk of developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. This is because a balanced intake of macronutrients supports overall bodily functions and reduces inflammation. Improved mood and cognitive function. The right balance of nutrients nourishes your brain, supporting cognitive function and promoting a positive mood. This can lead to better mental clarity, focus, and overall emotional well-being. By prioritizing a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, you're making a conscious decision to invest in your long-term health and well-being.